Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you a side hustle that'll earn you an extra $152 for every watched ad. Another day of learning new ways how to make money online. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Earning via watching ads has never been more rewarding. That's $152 for every ad, so watching at least 20 ads in a day is an easy $30 in your pocket. Let me show you how. The initial step is to visit adslice.com, the designated app for our purpose. This platform pays real cash for watching advertisements per their motto. You browse, we pay. Before registering or taking any action, I highly recommend watching this entire video. This will ensure you grasp the essential details required for optimal functionality. Without this understanding, your earnings might be limited. Rest assured, I've personally tested this method, and it's a legitimate means to earn supplementary income for managing bills. It's worth noting that this app is currently accessible only through web browsers. Mobile phone compatibility might come later. Once you're on the website, proceed to download the necessary plugin extension. This extension serves to display banner ads on the websites you visit. To illustrate, now that I have the extension active, visiting youtube.com showcases a banner ad from AdSlice. Similarly, if I search for something on Google, I encounter ads once again. This is the core functioning mechanism. You'll encounter similar ads across various websites. Remember, clicking on these ads isn't mandatory to earn money. More information about this process is available on the website. Simply scroll down to acquaint yourself with the specifics. To integrate the extension into your computer, select Add to Chrome. To validate the platform's authenticity, note the substantial user count and the positive feedback from those who've earned money by watching ads. After adding the extension, scroll down and click Close. Following the extension installation, only 2 steps remain: creating an account and linking the extension. When you sign up to create an account, you'll receive a bonus of 10 free slices. It's worth mentioning that AdSlice is relatively new and not widely known yet. It's a good idea to seize this opportunity before it becomes oversaturated. The registration process involves providing basic information such as your email address and password, agreeing to the terms of service, and verifying your email. After completing these steps, you'll gain access to the dashboard, where you can see the overview of your account. The final step is to connect the extension. Simply click on Connect and then follow the provided instructions. Once you've completed these steps, you're all set. Now, let's return to the dashboard, where you'll find a comprehensive overview of your account. This section will display key details, including your transaction history, the number of ads you viewed, your earnings, and the amount you've withdrawn. This app is particularly well suited for newcomers, as it doesn't require specific skills or prerequisites. The process is simple. Install the extension, which takes care of displaying ads and earning money for you. Remember that your earnings can vary based on your country of residence. For those who stay with me until the conclusion of this video, I'll also reveal a personal technique I've employed to earn a few dollars in just a matter of days. It's a noteworthy achievement considering I didn't have to invest significant effort. A major advantage of this method is it works worldwide. Moving on, there's a payout tab available as well. This is where you can initiate the process of withdrawing your earnings. You can withdraw funds through PayPal or Bitcoin. Your country of residence can be selected from the drop-down menu, and depending on your location, you might even have additional payment method choices. It's worth noting that when using PayPal, a 4% fee is deducted from your earnings. As an alternative, I'd suggest considering Bitcoin, though the decision ultimately rests with you. You can also explore further details about payment methods and timing if interested. An advantage is that the minimum payout threshold is just 35 cents. Now, if you're enjoying this video and you want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. There are also additional avenues for generating income through this app, particularly if you're a gamer or content creator. Under the Creator section, you can link your Twitch account to the app. This enables you to earn money when viewers on your stream watch ads. This can be an excellent way to boost your earnings if you're involved in content creation. For more information on this, you can explore the details provided. You can also earn money by referring others to the platform. Within the crew section, you'll notice an option to invite friends. When they become active users for 30 days, you'll receive 1,000 slices and your referred friends will earn 100 slices for free. Your unique referral link is conveniently located below this section. Under Connections, you can add more browsers if you wish, allowing you to further maximize your earnings. To reinforce the legitimacy of AdSlice, look at the reviews on Trustpilot. Trustpilot is a reputable online platform that serves as a hub for customer reviews and feedback. It bridges consumers and businesses, allowing individuals to share their experiences and opinions about various products, services, and companies. This platform has gained prominence for its transparency and credibility, allowing users to make informed decisions based on real-life testimonials. By hosting authentic reviews and ratings, Trustpilot empowers consumers and businesses in today's digital marketplace, fostering a culture of open communication and accountability. Despite being relatively new, AdSlice has garnered a substantial number of reviews. The average score ratio is an impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars. Notably, 74% of the reviews are 5-star and 19% are 4-star reviews, indicating a predominantly positive reception. Reading through user reviews can provide insights into what others think about the app and whether it's worth your time. While AdSlice won't make you a fortune, it's still an appealing app given the minimal effort required to earn from it. Withdrawals are swift, with funds typically arriving within 48 hours after you initiate the process. It's worth highlighting that the minimum amount you can withdraw is a mere 35 cents, making it an attractive option. However, note that there's a fee associated with PayPal withdrawals, which might be a drawback for users who prefer using PayPal. It's crucial to recognize the fact that AdSlice has been approved for the Chrome Store, signifying its trustworthiness and authenticity. It's not a scam or malware, as it wouldn't be available through a reputable channel. Remember that you must always keep the extension enabled in your browser to ensure ads appear on every site you visit. Also, you don't have to click on the ads to earn money. Simply viewing ad banners is sufficient. Additionally, use multiple browsers on your computer. You can extend your earnings by adding the extension to all of them. This presents a remarkable opportunity to earn money online, offering a noteworthy side hustle you can pursue from the comfort of your own home. It's particularly attractive for beginners lacking advanced skills or substantial knowledge. The app is beginner-friendly, and best of all, it's entirely free to use. AdSlice represents a convergence of modern convenience and the growing digital economy. Earning money online has become far more accessible, tangible, and user-friendly. Its simplicity sets the platform apart. It doesn't demand advanced skills, specialized knowledge, or a significant time commitment. It fits seamlessly into your daily routine, transforming your regular browsing into a productive venture. Earning money online is more than just a financial endeavor. It's an exploration of the boundless opportunities that technology offers. The virtual world is increasingly becoming a space where innovation intersects with income generation. Working from home, engaging in side hustles, and earning money online presents a promising avenue for financial growth and personal empowerment. In an ever-evolving digital landscape, technology's power continues to reshape how we approach life and our finances. The emergence of platforms like AdSlice underscores how we can now effortlessly make money online, ushering in a new era of earning opportunities right from the comfort of our own homes. With this remarkable side hustle, the potential to earn money online is at your fingertips. As you navigate your way through the virtual world, you're not just browsing, you're paving your path to earning. By embracing this side hustle, you're supplementing your budget and unlocking a realm of convenience and flexibility. The ability to earn money online, effortlessly viewing ads as you work from home, adds a significant layer of financial empowerment. This innovative platform reminds us that our screens are more than just windows to information. They're gateways to an ever-expanding realm of earning possibilities. Making money online is no longer a distant dream. It's a tangible reality available to anyone willing to seize the opportunity. As the digital landscape evolves, so does our capacity to find meaningful side hustles, contributing positively to our financial well-being. So as you embark on this journey of earning money online through AdSlice, you're embracing the spirit of modern entrepreneurship and the potential of technology to improve our lives. Remember, the realm of side hustles is expanding, and the ability to earn money online is now within reach like never before. Let this remarkable platform be your guide to a more financially empowered future, one where the term side hustle truly encompasses the world of earning online right from the comfort of your own home. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.